Welcome back everyone! I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEM activities. In the last video, we made rainbow snow with snow powder. In this video, let's talk about how and why snow powder turned into snow-like form. Snow powder, also known as instant snow polymer, is made by cross-linking molecules of sodium polyacrylate polymer. This is the material which is used in hygiene products like baby diapers. When this material meets water, this super-absorbent polymer expands up to 100 times its original volume. This is why the powdery material produced a snow-like material. Another fact is, when it is allowed to dry, it returns to its powdery form and you can use it again. Today, we have learned how and why the powder and water together produce instant snow. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will come back with another fun science activity in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.